Okay. Welcome back to EMS grade 9. In this video, we're going to look at typical questions of the batch test. So we have got typical questions that we have here, which relate to our question that is on economic systems, and answer the questions that follow. So you're given the South Africa's major export destinations, whereby you're given different countries that are mentioned there. So I believe that we it really define the term globalization. So globalization, we know that it's a process whereby countries interact with other countries. Basically, that's globalization. So international trade becomes an element of globalization, whereby a country engages in the exchange of goods and services with other countries. So basically, that's one thing. So we have a briefly described explanation in terms of globalization. So we go to our answer section and see what we have in terms of globalization. So basically, it's the trade and exchange of services or goods with other countries. So basically, that's uh, the definition that we have within the context of this video. So we go to the next part of the question, which says, which country is South Africa's largest trading partner? So obviously, we refer to the pie chart that we are given there and try to see which one is got the greater percentage. But you see that United States has got 8.8%, Germany 8.1%, China 9.7%, Japan 7%, Botswana 3.8%, India 4.2%, United Kingdom 5.1%. So we're seeing that the greatest proportion we're having it on China. Remember, the 54% is on other countries. So obviously, China 9.7 is the greater proportion that we have there. So we have China as our response to 2.2, which says which country is South Africa's largest trading partner. Then we go to the last part, we need to discuss the impact of technological innovation and globalization on the types of goods and services that are exported by South Africa. Give 1 point with an example. It's going to be 3 months. So we need to try to explain in terms of the impact of technological innovation and globalization. But obviously, technological innovation, we are saying these are new ideas that are coming in or new methods of producing that we are having. So, what impact do we have in terms of the goods and services that are exported by us by South Africa? Basically, the impact is based on the exports. On the other hand, we are saying in terms of the process of international trade, what impact do we have? But obviously, we are going to see a positive impact when there's technological innovation, whereby better products and services are going to be produced in the local economy, which is going to make our products more competitive on the international market. So basically, that's what we have. And also, we are going to see that globalization again increases the volume of our goods that are being exported. So basically, within that context, but we have our explanations that we have within the context of our answer section, whereby we have got 3 different explanations that we can try to include. Remember, our question says, give 1 point with an example. Obviously, it needs 1 point. So you can just opt for any explanation that we're having here. So the first explanation is saying technological innovation in mining or agriculture improve the efficiency of the products in South Africa. It makes the country's products competitive. So the effect is the products are being competitive on the international market. So that's the positive that we can deduce from that. Then secondly, technological innovations also assist with reaching more customers in terms of improved ways of communication, which leads to more trade with other countries, e.g., social media. So that's another option that you can use. And remember, the question only needs one explanation. So it's either you are opting for this first one, the second one, or the third one. So on the last part is saying globalization has expanded the opportunities for South African farmers, mining, and other exports to reach a larger scale of consumers worldwide and to improve business and trade. E.g., transport is more readily available and can reach all corners of the world. So basically, this is what we have within the context of this video. Thank you for listening. Hopefully the video was helpful. Let's stay tuned for more videos to come. More typical examinations are going to be uploaded on this channel. So let's subscribe and share. Let's turn on the notification button. As for this video, I'm out. We'll meet again in the next video.